It's a new 2020 Genesis G70. Others are built to be mirror images of the world around them. The G70 is built to change it. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, hands-free liftgate, twin turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, streaming audio, heated steering wheel, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.